Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 22. Government continues to craft strategies to create thousands of jobs for Jamaicans. At a two-day cabinet retreat that ended on Tuesday, the administration discussed the expansion of the business process outsourcing sector to create 18,000 new jobs. Cabinet also discussed adding over 6,000 hotel rooms to boost the tourism sector. Emphasis was also placed on the development of new agri-parks and projects in the energy sector. Cabinet also focused on the country's growth agenda, the current economic performance, as well as the strategic priorities for the upcoming fiscal year. The two-day cabinet retreat was in preparation for the 2016-2017 fiscal year. A statement from the Office of the Prime Minister further indicated that wage settlements for public sector workers, budget adjustments and proposals made by members of Parliament during the State of the Constituency debate were also high on the agenda. Residents in sections of northwest Manchester will have greater access to water following repairs to a rainwater catchment tank in their area. $9.5 million was recently spent to repair the 35,000-gallon Ballynor rainwater catchment tank. It provides water to approximately 1,500 residents of Ballynor, Mile Gully and adjoining communities. Water Minister Robert Pickersgill, who commissioned the tank into service, underscored its importance.
We must return to rainwater harvesting as one method of ensuring our water security in the face of increasing and intensifying droughts, which are one of the impacts of climate change.
The Ballynor rainwater catchment tank is one of 5 in the northwest Manchester constituency to be rehabilitated. It was first constructed in the 1950s. Residents in the Rowlandsfield area of St. Thomas are now benefiting from a new health centre in their community. The Rowlandsfield Health Centre, which was officially opened recently, was upgraded at a cost of $18.9 million. The facility now boasts improved bathroom facilities, fans, a room for medical records, 2 consultation rooms, staff area canteen, an expanded waiting area, additional patient rooms, water storage and wheelchair access facilities.
We celebrate against the background of improving the quality of life for the people of Jamaica. But in improving the quality of life, it is to the extent that health is seen just not as a social good, but is seen in the context of economic development from the standpoint of production and productivity.
Work on the Rowlandsfield Health Centre was funded through the Sugar Transformation Programme in the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. It's in keeping with government's plans to improve healthcare facilities across the island. Since 2012, government has spent over $660 million to improve access to healthcare in over 129 health centres. One government minister is urging Jamaicans to play their part in addressing infrastructure problems facing the country. Dr. Omar Davies pointed to the Bogwalk Gorge, for example, which is sometimes impassable due to falling boulders from the hillside.
Whilst there's clearly need for straight engineering work, civil engineering works, I would suggest that some of the solution will lie in a reforestation program of the adjacent hillsides, and the need for us to incorporate and have this collaboration is going to grow over time.
The Transport Works and Housing Minister was speaking at Monday's opening ceremony to start Engineers Week 2015. It's being held under the theme Engineering for Human and Social Development. This year's week of activities is being done in collaboration with the Canadian Society for Civil Engineering and the Bahamas Society of Engineers. And finally, the business community in Portland is next in line to benefit from government's Mobile Business Clinic initiative. The capacity building activity, which is spearheaded by the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, will be held on September 30 and October 1 at the Neville Antonio Park in Port Antonio, Portland. A new feature dubbed Business Suite will be introduced in the Portland leg of the project. It's a specialty business consultation area geared towards growth stage entrepreneurs in the parish. Startup businesses will also get special attention so that they're able to fully develop their businesses. The Mobile Business Clinic initiative, which was designed to strengthen micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, has already made stops in business areas across 7 parishes. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.